It's previous the tutor. I have 4 indefinite integral questions which I want us to look at. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please make sure you do. And if you haven't yet started our online classes, make sure also you do. They're quite affordable. You can just inbox us for a price list and we'll be able to do that. Now, heading back to the question, says evaluate the following integrals. The first one says the integral of 3x squared minus 6x plus 3 dx. All right. So how do we go about that one? All right. So we are going to do step by step. All right, and follow me properly. Okay. So the integral of 3x squared minus 6x plus 3 with respect to x can be integrated as follows. So what we are going to do here, remember that whenever you are integrating, all right, we increase the power. So always increase the power. Now, as you increase the power, then divide by the new power. Divide by the what? New power. The same one that you've increased. That's what we call integration under here. So the power that we're talking about is this with the variables. Now, you also need to take note that the integral of a constant, all right, the integral of a constant, let's say c, is just cx. And I want you to take note of that. So as we work out this one so that you can know how to progress, isn't it? Good. So we are going to say 3x, we increase 1. Now you increase the power, let's say by 1 to be specific, and you increase the power by 1. So we increase this power here by 1, we say plus 1. This gives us 3, right? So we're going to divide by the same new power that we've got now, which is what? 3 minus 6x. Here there's 1. So we're going to add another 1 to give us what? 2 over 2 plus 3 falls under this one where I'm saying the integral of a constant is, or let's say c, is just cx. So this one which will be what? 3x. Are we done? At the end, that's where we add the constant of what? Integration. So adding the constant of integration. Wait, c. It can be anything, by the way. So 3 and 3 cancel, will mean what? X to the power 3. 2 into 6, 3x squared plus what? 3x. Then you say plus c, the constant of what? Integration. Gents, it's a done deal for this one. Let's name exam. Watangana karula. What do? Wachana underline. Beautiful, right? Okay, so now let's look at question B. All right, I'll solve it from the same space here. I'll just erase this part. Good. Then I'll just go to B. B, we know what B is. So what we are doing from B is that we are increasing this power by 1. We are going to get 8x to the power 4 over 4. Then this will be x to the power 3 over 3. This one will be 5x squared over 2. And the 1 is a constant, so we're just going to have 1x, which is just the same as x. But I'm showing you steps so that you know why I'm able to write x there. So 4 into this one, what we get? We get 2 to the power 4. This one just be 1 over 3. Then we have x to the power 3. And this one will be 5 over 2x squared plus x plus what? C. This one is also done. Ilelanga. I hope ilelanga one. Okay, so let's go to another question, which is C here. Alright, so can I just erase this since now we know the procedures and everything we do now. Right? We are now on C. So x to the power 5, we add 1, becomes x to the power 6 over 6. So we have plus 1 over 4. You keep this one the way it is. It's just a constant, so you keep it. You focus on the variable. The variable is x to the power 4. So that one should be x to the power 5 over 5. You see it, plus. It's simple. You keep your 1 over 3 alone. Then you say x to the power 4 over 4. So this is the same thing as 1 over 6 x to the power 6 plus 4 and 5, they multiply, we get 1 over 20. And you say x to the power 5 plus 3 and 4, they multiply, we get 12. X to the power 4 plus what? C. It's also done. In case you have a doubt, what you might be thinking the right thing. You might, so don't doubt yourself too much. Alright. Let's look at B. So the D with the negative, so this is the same as negative half, so I'm going to have negative 1 over 2, right? Then x, that will be to the power 5 over what? 5 minus, this is the same as 1 over 2. We have x, we increase by 1, give us 4, again this over what? 4 minus, this is the same as 1 over 6, then x, that one we increase by 3, goes to 3 over what? 3. So now 5 and 2 can multiply to give us negative 1 over 10, then x to the power 5 minus 2 and 4 will give us 8, x to the power 4 minus 3 and 8 and 6, we get 1 over 18, but x to the power 3 plus what? C, the constant of what? Integration. Right, so it's in this beautiful. So now you've known indefinite integration, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. You can leave us a subscription. You can also start your online classes. Our number is 0978076090. You can send a message or text on WhatsApp or call so that we can give you the price list for the GCE and G12 online classes.